In this Paracourse lesson, I want to show you how you can use the rigid body in Kangaroo to deform a series of boxes and get an overview and an understanding of how rigid body works. Maybe you can use it in your projects. I'm going to use two different simulations. One is like a bouncy solver, and then also a simple one, which you can see I can deform this and produce different results. So it's a good understanding of how rigid body works in Kangaroo, how you can use it. We can also get rid of the end, and you can see by removing the connection at the end, I can move these boxes like a snake around and produce different results. So this tutorial will help you understand how rigid body works and maybe use this method in your projects to produce creative forms and also simulations.